Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts. I want to go over a few things you need to think about before you install some windows on your own.
Are you sure about that?
Now I'm talking mainly California because this is what I know. My business is in California, so I can speak to Californians without any issue at all when it comes to this type of a topic. When you're saying, hey listen, I'm gonna go and replace my own windows in my house, let's say you wanna do retro, depending on the kind of windows that you have in your house. So if you have a single pane aluminum window, and you're going to replace it with a retro style of window, it's going to be a retro flange or a Z-bar if you're doing mill guard or whatever, but you're looking for a retro flange that is going to basically cover the existing metal frame that's in your house currently. If you have a wood window from the 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, so on, you want to do a retro window, well, you're going to need a block window frame. Very important and how you do that, but you got to keep that in mind. And then the last point is going to be the nailing flange window. So this is, you're doing full tearouts, right? Breaking stucco, 12 inches around each window, door, pulling everything out, and then basically reflashing the opening, and then adding your brand new window, and then screwing it in from the outside with help of a friend. That is going to be the three type of installations, right? So you have either the retro flange, you also have retro in a block frame, but that's for wood windows only. And then you're going to deal with nailing flange. So that's the first thing you need to tackle and understand, thoroughly before you get involved. The next thing is gonna be what type of caulking you're going to use. I am big on polyurethane. So if you are installing on the outside, I use polyurethane on the outside. Why? Because it's very, very durable. On the inside, I'll use an acrylic urethane. So that's a water-based product. You can get it in white, tan, black, you can get it in multiple colors. But the cool thing about acrylic urethanes is that it's water-based, right? So it's not petroleum-based like the polyurethane that you're gonna use on the outside. That's something different. You don't wanna use polyurethane, at least I won't use polyurethane on the inside because it's messy as heck, unless you're taping everything like you would on the outside. But at that point, why even risk it? Just go with a nice acrylic urethane and get the interior finished up. So another thing I would want to talk about would be checking with the manufacturer, whether it's Milgard or Anlin or whatever. They usually will have instructions as to what the best practices from the manufacturer is for the installation. Get those. You want to have some kind of an instruction. If you've never done it before, maybe you want to watch some videos online and how people are doing it and get a baseline, but then also look at some instructions as to like the proper way to do an installation. So if you're also installing the window yourself, you got to make sure that the warranty applies as well. And if the warranty is going to be okay with you installing it. Or just don't tell anybody. There's that too, right? There's a lot more to it. That's not going to be everything, but these are the main things that I would say you got to think of before you go and say, hey, I'm gonna go replace my windows in my house by myself or with a friend, but have no experience doing it. Hopefully this helps, guys. Make it a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.